Assalamualaikum and very good morning to all of you. For this video, I will present about my selecting topic. Before that, in general, any speech of talk require a good selecting topic, right? To entertain the audience and at the same time we can deliver our main point or our purpose of topic selected. Also, our selecting topic depends on our audience feedback, So, my selecting topic that I want to present is the cause and solution of heavy headache after sleeping. I am I am choosing this topic because the issue of problem happen almost to everyone, and it is a very common problem happen especially to the adult. Okay, the first reason I am choosing this topic is because this issue has been globally popular among the adults. According to World Health Organization or WHO, globally it has been estimated that prevalence among adults of current headache disorder is about 50%. Half to three quarters of adult aged between 18 to 65 years in the world have had headache. The number are keep increasing year by year, although it seems normal to all of you to have a headache, but it can be risky if you are not knowing how to overcome it and find a solution of heavy headache problems. The second reason is because I already experienced it myself. I can still remember the pain of heavy headache after sleeping. I experienced it because I used to have insomnia before this. The day after I was having a headache, so I can feel how hard to go on with my daily life while having a headache. The third reason is many people are having the same situation but they are not knowing the cause and solution of headache. Some of people just carry and do nothing, and mostly they just take a medicine and go to sleep to kill the pain of headache. But actually, it is important for everyone to know why headache after sleeping happen, so that if you know the reason why you are having this problem, you will avoid the causes of getting headache. And the solution it is also important because not everything depends on medicine or drugs. Sometimes you need to meditate yourself, do some relaxation activities to help you overcome this problem. So that all my reason of choosing this topic as my informative speech, for me it is quite vital for everyone. Next, my data or information, yes, for gathering process, I started my data searching through internet only because due to our current issue we are not allowed to go outside, and if we are allowed either the library is closed. Even though I lack data gathering sources, but internet nowadays is very useful, so I will use this kind of platform 100% of internet advantages to assist me in my speech. After I already finish gathering my data and information, I will compile and filter some of my data so that I'm not, sharing too much unrelated information that will make my audience bored of my speech. So, I think that's all for me. We are already reached in the end of my my presentation. Thank you for lending me your ears. Thank you for your great attention. Thank you again for stick with till the end. And thank you and see you soon. Bye.